In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete FreshBooks account. Before we start, a quick heads up. You'll want to do this from a desktop web browser for the smoothest experience, and you'll need to be signed in with an account that has permission to manage billing. If you've got invoices, expenses, or reports you might want later, take a moment to export or download them before you move forward, because deleting your account can make that data hard to recover. Let's begin by going to FreshBooks in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, look to the very top left corner of the screen. You'll see the company menu, typically showing your business name or an icon. Click that to open your account options. This is where FreshBooks keeps company-level settings and tools you don't use every day, including billing. In the menu that opens, choose Subscription and Billing. This section shows your current plan, payment details, and everything related to your subscription. It's the right place to manage upgrades, downgrades, and, when needed, cancellations. On the subscription and billing page, scroll down until you see the option labeled Cancel Your Account. It might be near the bottom of the page, so keep scrolling until it's clearly visible. Take a moment here to be sure you're on the correct company if you manage more than one, since cancellation applies to the specific company you're viewing. When you're ready, click Cancel Your Account. FreshBooks may present a short confirmation flow. You might be asked why you're leaving or offered alternatives, like changing plans. Read any notes carefully, since they can explain what happens to your data and when access will end. If you're certain, proceed through the prompts and confirm the cancellation. After you confirm, watch for an on-screen message or a follow-up email confirming the change. If you don't see a confirmation, refresh the page or check your inbox, including your spam folder. Keep in mind that cancellation timing and any remaining access can depend on your current billing cycle. If the option doesn't appear, it could mean you don't have the right permissions or the account is managed differently. In that case, sign in with the owner's credentials or reach out to FreshBooks support for help. That's it. You went to FreshBooks, opened the company menu in the top left, selected Subscription and Billing, scrolled to find Cancel Your Account, and confirmed. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to save any records you need before you close the page.